Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. Now today we're going to be doing some cleaning using the Jax Wax Total Cleaner. I got this from that petrol box. Never tried it. The kid used it on the Corvette. He liked it. So you can see how dirty this is. Let's try it, you know. And the directions said shake real well, and it's a cleaner. Okay, you can even use it on leather seats, but make sure you put your leather conditioner back on. So you can use it on leather, your door panels, dash, console, plastic steering wheels, and any vinyl or plastic surface if you want to shake it up. So in this series we're going to be doing a car cleaning on this. I'm going to do the carpet, but I'm going to do the carpet last. I'm going to get all the trim and everything done and rewash it, and still want to put some wax on the door seals, stuff like that. So never used this, so let's try it out. It says you can spray on your towel, but I'm going to be, because since it's heavy, I'm going to put it on here and let it sit. Same thing too, you're going to want to use some Microsoft towels. And these are the ones I get at Harbor Freight. You use your coupons, you get them free. And these work great for cleaning the interior, so you can leave your, good ones for your wax. So you can always spray it on here. But today, right now, since this is heavily, got some heavy dirt on it, we're going to put it on there. If it runs down, it's alright. Then we're going to use your towel, brush towel, see if we can work it in there. This brush is kind of pretty soft, the bristle, but it helps. It's going to help get that product in there and loosen that up a little bit. You can see where it's already kind of working. You may have to do this a couple times. Then we're going to put some on the Microsoft towel. It's pretty dirty. It's getting it, but yeah, it's getting it. That's pretty dirty. So Jax Wax is cleaning it up pretty good. Let's try that toothbrush. Get it in there. Getting it clean, just gotta work it in there really good. Not bad, pretty much probably like any other product. Gotta work it in there to really get that clean. But you can see the results we're getting. Look at that, not bad. I mean, granted, you're gonna have to scrub a little bit to get that product in there. Well, yeah, it's working pretty good. Let's continue to work this whole piece, and then we'll come back. It's nice using these old toothbrushes. See that? If I had maybe a little bit harder bristle, it would be a little bit easier, but you don't want to damage your interior pieces. There you go. Yeah, it's cleaning pretty good. Jax Wax works pretty good. It smells good too. Can't make up the smell. It's got a nice smell to it. Try it out on this cluster screen. Looks like it's cleaning up pretty good. Looks pretty good. I need some more product on there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So you can use your Jax Wax on your screen. So use this information on risk. It's working for me. Just use a little bit on your screen, but it shines it up pretty good. Gets it nice and clean. So yeah, I like the look of this Jax Wax. It's not shiny. It's almost like a stock look, you know, factory look. It does get the dirt off. It smells good. It works pretty good. So I'm going to continue to clean. I'm not going to film the whole thing me cleaning, but figure show you guys a little bit. Some of the tools, you know, you can use a toothbrush, you can get in here, stuff like that, or get one of these. These do come in handy to get in a lot of tight spots. Yeah, but it's working. It's cleaning it up pretty good. Hopefully you guys can see that. The sun's not in here, so you guys can see that real good. It's cleaning up pretty good. Sun's shining right in here. Jax Wax has it says it has an odor eliminator, so technology makes it smell great. It does smell pretty good, and you can tell it probably does. So I think the smell will last a little while. So yeah, it's working pretty good. It doesn't feel like a bad, like a chemical feeling you get from a lot of products. It's cleaning good. I still got a carpet clean, but yeah, it's cleaning this car up pretty good. I like it. I like the smell of it. It's pretty cool. Got that with the petrol box, which is nice. You can try out other products. I like spraying it on the thing. They say spray it on a rag, but I've always done it like that. Spray it on the panel and clean it up. Get it in there. Now you can clean all this stuff too. So yeah, it's working pretty good. Not worried about the carpet because I want the carpet clean, so you can get in here and get all that dirt. That's why I use different Microsoft towels. See, look how clean that came out. It works pretty good. It's a good product. VTR on here. Let's try a couple spots. See what it looks like shining up. I wouldn't probably put this on dash because it might get a glare on your windshield. Not worried about getting on the chrome. I gotta clean that up with this sponge. See if we can see that. Another thing too, you can use these sponges to apply product like this on your dash. It does shine it up pretty good. So yeah, you can use a product like this if you want a little bit shiner. See? Here, you see the difference? See the difference? Kind of shine it up. The plastic's getting old. You can see where I cleaned it with the Jax Wax. You can use the Adams VRT on it. See something? It's getting a little bit of white here. I don't know if it's from cleaning. Let's see if it comes out. No, it's in the plastic. Yeah, just old. Yep, so you get that kind of a look from here for the BRT. I won't put it on the dash like up here. You might be able to, might not get too bad of a glare. I might have to try it. Alright. Need to wipe the excess off. See how it kind of cleans it up a little bit. And what do you guys think? It look pretty good? That's just scratches. Yeah, it does clean it. You can see where it just... They cleaned this whole plastic. You can see the flaws now in the plastic because they cleaned it. I mean, that's what I think anyway. Yeah, I might put some VRT on there, get her some, shine it up a little bit. Alright guys, let me put some on this panel and we'll take a look. Drop from Jax Wax, not too bad. Some spots, seems like it turned white. Not bad. I mean, this is just scratched up, but it kind of gives it a, you know, almost like a factory look, which is fine. That's just the plastic. It's old. The plastic here is turning gray. It's just old. If you want to get it shiny, you can probably use something more like an Armor All or something like that. Gives you a shinier look, like the VTR. That'd be a good product probably to put on here. The Adams VTR. Shine it up. Hey, let's try it. Still have the stuff out from using it, but yeah, it's a good product. It cleans pretty good. And like I said, this stuff, you know, it's just plastic is wearing down. We've got some scratches on it. That's what we're seeing, but it gives a nice. It does clean pretty good, and it gives a nice smell. The Adams VRT will give it a little bit more shine, but when you put it on your panels, you're gonna want to buff off a little bit to access. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, I think that Jax Wax is a good cleaner. Total clean, total interior. You can leave it, or you can top it off with something a little bit that shines up a little bit. Just depends on what you want. Dang, that sun. I think that sun's gonna ruin this video. It cleans it pretty good. I think if you want more shiny, you can go. It smells good. Didn't use that much. It cleaned it up. A lot of flaws you're seeing is in the plastic, but if you want a little bit more shiny or a little bit of a shine, you could, like I said, go with the Adams or like an Armor All or something like that if you want more of a shine look. But it cleaned it up pretty good. I still got a lot more cleaning to do. I got to clean inside the door jams, stuff like that. But as you guys can see, a little bit of the results. Pretty good. Not bad. Cleaning up pretty good. Yeah, the plastic kind of faded because it wasn't probably no protected on it. But yeah, it works good. And I got the VRT Adams on here, just shine it up. Plus give it a little bit of protection. I might do the whole car with like that and show the results. So hopefully you guys stay to the end. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw some VRT on the car, in the panels real quick, and I'll show some footage of that. So, but don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So you guys have a great one. Man, that sun's bright coming through there. Hopefully I can get some good footage. Oh yeah, the Jax Wax Total Clean gives a nice clean look. It really does. It cleans pretty good. It's nice. Like I said, if you want something a little bit more shinier, I'm just putting some VRT on it to give a little bit more of a gloss. And actually see how it works on the dash. I'm gonna get any, you know, gloss from the thing. See that box over there? I had to buy a new washer and dryer. Our old washer took a dump. And then, well, might as well get the dryer too soon. But you can see it come with the Adams. You can see the Adams VRT going on the dash with the sponge. See how easy it goes on pretty quick? I'm not worried about it being perfect. I'm really not. I just want to get some coverage. Because you really want to get in. You can get in here really good. I just want to get it cleaned up for working at. I'm not worried about it being perfect. Adams VRT, it really doesn't say if you can use it on the interior, but why not? I'm gonna try it. I mean, I want to get a little bit of a shine out of this. So why not? I mean, it's not oily. I mean, it doesn't, once it's dry, it doesn't give you an oily, you know, result. So, I mean, I think it looks good, so we'll try it. What the heck? It doesn't say in a bottle. It says it for interior user, Adams interior detailer, or leather conditioner. But you can put it on plastic surfaces, bumpers, step rails. So I don't see why not. You can use an engine bay, plastic hoses. So, well, we'll find out. I'll just have to do a follow-up and see how this stuff is working in the interior. So you guys, I'll test it out so you guys don't have to. Yeah, because I haven't really looked online to see if you can use it. So we'll find out. But it does look good in here. I mean, granted, when you put it on, you are going to want to wipe the excess off. And just putting it on with the sponge helps a lot. But it's not real shiny, so I think it will be fine. And plus, too, it's got a protectant in it. It's going to protect the dash a little bit. So, I mean, I'm liking the way it looks in the dash. Why not? Might as well try it. So, you just want to wipe off the excess. But look at that. Results from it. Not bad. Here's the results. Not bad. Could be a little bit better, but I think I did alright. End this video as I'm continuing to clean. And then my end results, I'll just pan through it. And you guys can see the results. But to then, you know, like and subscribe and comment. I still got to do a lot more cleaning of this. I might take a little bit of footage here and there of cleaning it. This video is just to test out that product too. Got that sponge. But I have to really work it in there. Yeah, these sponges work great. But yeah. Alright guys, you guys have a great one. Later. It's getting clean.